Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can cash out from SweatCoin. So for that, you cannot directly cash out from SweatCoin and you will be needing a wallet for withdrawing or cashing out your SweatCoin. So for that, just go to Play Store or App Store and there search for Sweat Wallet. Then open this Sweat Wallet, and after it opens up, just click on Login with SweatCoin app and then approve login. Make sure that you have walked few steps before you approve the login, as it won't allow you. So after approving your login, you will be able to get all your data from SweatCoin app to Sweat Wallet, and all your balances will be shown in Sweat Wallet. Then there will be an option to withdraw, and while withdrawing, make sure that you are selecting near blockchain's wallet address to a particular address. Like if you are withdrawing to Bybit account, then make sure that you are copying the near protocols or near blockchain's address. And if you are on KuCoin, then also it is near blockchain's wallet address. So after copying this address, you will be able to transfer your sweat coins into your Bybit account or KuCoin account, and after that you can easily cash out using your KuCoin or Bybit account exchanges. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.